We are pulling honey today. So we
pulling honey today.
and
We've already done the one yard behind Clint's and pulled, I'd say, close to 250 pounds out of that one. And then we're going to go drop this off where we're going to spin it out at, and then go to 2 more yards, maybe possibly 3 if we can get them all in.
And then we got some special guests today. Old Man River, Dave Arthur, and of course the hippie Jason Goebel. So we're on our way to do a little bit of honey pulling.
Well, that's along with Dangerous Dave and Catching Clint.
Yeah, there you go.
Do we want to load these up?
Yeah, go for it. He doesn't like being on camera. But we want to load these? Yeah, I think we load them up. So what? How much you think we got off just this little yard right here?
200, 250.
All right, ain't bad for a first pull out.
Well, and with the spring we've had, I think that's pretty good. Yeah, it's yeah.
So this is our bee yard down at the plant, Buffalo, West Virginia. And we picked up another hitchhiker. This is James. He's going to help pull the rest. He and I pretty much take care of this one here, so he's going to help us with the rest of it today. Cicadas, listen to them. This is one of our bee yards that we're getting ready to pull honey off of.
It's pretty good. We pulled what, 300-400 pounds out of here last year, and we only had 3 producers.
Wasn't this yard though towards the end of the year?
Yeah, at the end of the year we didn't produce anything.
Yeah.
But all right, let's do. Board.
Bees are flying today. David, that one down there on the end's got a lot of activity.
Yeah, that one produces pretty good. It's got one paper on it.
This yard started with 1. This is actually when we started getting back into it. It was a giveaway hive. You can see how beautiful this place is.
Right there. Man, I sure need something to drink. They got the him with a 9 from here.
Oh, we're just going.
You gonna make it? Told you shouldn't have got that.
Yep, it's all about the Slim Jim.
That's that Slim Jim.
Slim Jim and the monster. I was told to stand here and look pretty, and then told just stand here. So I don't know what to take over that.
Well, take it exactly how it was meant. Yeah, just stand here and look pretty.
I'll just stand here and look pretty. But then he said, just stand there. So I think he was meaning that I can't. So you've got a fume board on one,
yeah,
and then the poor man's fume board on the other.
Yep. As soon as you put that on there,
So David had a friend out here the last time, or the time before he was out here.
Yep, he's under the want to bloom.
Big old black snake underneath that one right there. Of course, that's good. That helps keep rid of the mice. So, huh?
You ain't afraid of no snakes?
No.
Well, I wasn't afraid of him, but I must have kicked him a little bit or something. And he come on the other side there and looked at me, and he curled up like, you know, he's all bad and everything, you know. But,
You want me?
I don't know yet.
Nothing right yet. This one,
We got eggs.
so they're just growing. Because that was one of the newer ones, right?
This was one of the new ones.
One of the newer hives, so.
I just want to make sure there was none down in the. Nothing on this one. Now this next one we'll probably pull 2 off of it.
We left Dave back there. He's trying to get the lighter or the smoker going. So. Man, them cicadas are loud out here.
Yeah,
I love it.
What I do is the thing. Hey, just leave that right there.
You're going to be putting the medium, aren't you?
Huh?
You're going to be putting the medium.
Yeah,
down.
we might be able to take this whole
Okay.
thing. If we can do it right, we might.
If you can, I'll carry it over there for you.
Okay. Give it just a few seconds.
So what do we use to spray on that, David?
Huh?
What do we use to spray on that?
We use Honeybee Gone.
Honey, be gone.
Doesn't stink like the other stuff.
Smells like almonds.
It smells like almonds and cherries.
David uses that to spritz himself too.
Yeah.
Man.
You gonna make it? Told you shouldn't have got that.
Yep, it's all about the Slim Jim.
That's that Slim Jim.
Slim Jim and the monster. There's nothing in that
I
one?
mean, there is, but nothing to pull.
All right. Then we'll go to the next. So they don't need another super?
No. No. Not this year, I don't think.
Okay.
All right. Because it's not dripping. It went in.
Keep pumping it.
Keep pumping it. Where's your brush?